Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is actually about NNDM, otherwise known as Nano Dimension. Now, the last time I posted a video on this, guys, it was actually at support at 611. So if you watched that video and you took advantage of that entry, congratulations, it's doing just amazing. So we're going to break Nano down. We're going to talk about several key levels and where I think it's heading. Now, before we get into the video, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I appreciate all the support y'all have been giving me. And if you want a more personal level where I can work with you and go live every single night before market open, hit the second link in my bio. It's my membership program. It's a monthly subscription, and I'll go live with you every single night and break down the stocks you want me to. Anyways, guys, let's get right into the video and let's talk about Nano. So last time I broke Nano, it was at support. It was at 611, and I talked about that this was a good time to buy and that the resistance level I was looking at was 733. And guys, look what happened. Today, we blew right through it. Now, we knew that this was a resistance level because as we were approaching this level, we got rejected, but notice this time how it was different. We could see that the breakout was happening mainly because each time that we hit the resistance over here, we got rejected and we came screaming down. This time we went to resistance, we did not come screaming down like this over here. So with any stock, if you're looking for a breakout, keep in mind how it reacts to a previous resistance. So we know over here that it fell down. Over here when we got to resistance this time, it didn't fall down. So that's how you knew a breakout was going to happen, and that's exactly how it played out. And it actually was up $1.24 today. So this is very exciting news for Nano. Now, I'm in Nano right now. I have 300 shares, but that's for the long term. So I'm pretty much going to be holding Nano for long-term growth because I believe in this company as a whole. I like what they're doing. They're a 3D printing company. They provide services in the military, healthcare, so it's a good company to look out for. Now, if you want to get in, where should you get in? Where's a good pullback entry for you? The first area I'm going to be looking at is 819, and it looks like we're actually pulling back down this in aftermarket. So 819 is the first level I'm going to be adding on, and also let's go down to the 15-minute time frame to see some more key levels. So if you're having trouble identifying levels, maybe go down a time frame. So I normally do it on the 4-hour because I'm a swing trader, so I look at bigger time frames. But if you want to go down to a smaller time frame like the 15-minute, then you can get much better levels to look at. So another level I'll be looking at is 786. We know that this was a previous resistance level and now it became a support. So I'd be looking to add on at 786, and then ultimately another level I'd be looking to add on to is 751. So guys, I have three levels here for you where I'll be looking to add on to 820, 782, around that range, 784, and then finally 750. Each of these areas are resistances or supports. So that's where I like to add on. I like to add on to supports. But since I'm investing in this company, I have a little bit of a strategy. What I do is I get in a small position, so 300 shares, and then as it dips down, that's when I start adding more shares. That's how I do my investing strategy. So I average costs down, and then eventually when the stock starts turning up again, then that's when I start making my profit. But like I said, this is a long-term growth company that I plan on having for multiple years because I like what they're doing, and I'm just now starting to get in my entries. But if you were able to capitalize on that last video where I got in at 611, congratulations. That was a perfect entry for you. Now, notice how that when we chart out areas on the 15-minute time frame, they don't look like areas on the 4 hours. So keep that in mind and well too. If you chart something out on the smaller time frames, you won't see that level on the bigger time frame. So keep that in mind when you're doing your chart analysis. That's a little tip to teach you. So ultimately though, Nano had an amazing day. We are pulling back in after hours. I wouldn't be too worried about it, especially if you are an investor. Now, if you're looking to trade Nano, what I'd honestly do, I'd wait for that pullback to one of these levels, and then I'd put my stop loss right underneath support. So if you're just looking to trade Nano, that's completely fine as well. I know there's a lot of traders out there that do watch my channel. So if you're looking to trade Nano, I'd wait for one of these levels on the 15-minute time frame that I charted out. I'd wait, be patient, and then I'd have my stop loss accordingly. So if you want to get in at 750, put your stop loss underneath this support level at the pink level at 733. Put your stop loss there, and then you can stop out right below it and then if you want to get back in, then you can maybe look for another entry at 611. But Nano, it has a lot of news and stuff around it right now, so Nano looks like it's about to take off once again. So Nano is on high alert, and ultimately any dip buy is perfect for me. No matter what dip we get, if it's 30 cents, 40 cents, I'm buying on every single dip because I like this company for longer term. So I just want to go over this, a quick little update on Nano, what it did today, because I know it's on everybody's watch list, or a lot of people's watch list, just because it's up 17% today. So thank you for tuning into this video. I have many other videos coming out dealing with Xpeng, Neo, so stay tuned with those, and also Tesla. If you like this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And once again, if you want to join me on a more personal level to help out your trading, consider hitting my course or my membership program. Thank you once again, and I'll see you all